I want it, and I'm going to find a way to import it when I get back. I accidentally bought the wired version because I didn't have my AI scan talk at the time, but there is a wireless one too. Maybe I'll say 9.5, just because I can't keep handing out 10s. All right, I'll admit, the breadcrumbs on the floor that are now starting to permeate my socks are really getting to me. But the reason that I put them there is to test the Dyson pencil vac. It is so cool seeing a product completely engineered around Asian culture. Something that, at least based on what we were told, might struggle in the US because of all the carpet that needs more suction and a bigger storage container. And go. Whoa. Incredible. It's so straight and it's so maneuverable. It just feels like an extension of my arm. This is my new superpower. Now, obviously, this is not the most difficult thing you can give to a vacuum cleaner, but nothing about the suction power feels any less than much bigger vacuums I've tested before. Oh, and it fits so smoothly underneath cabinets, and if you had sofas. I love the LEDs too. They're on both sides. Wait a second. Look what happens to the dirt when I turn the thing on. So it's compressing it into the top by taking out as much of the air inside as possible. I mean, there's absolutely a limit to how much you're going to be able to fit into this chamber, but it's cool to see them using tech to try and maximize what is there.